When we speak of desserts, the first thing that comes to your mind is an ice cream or a custard. The feel-good experience of making a nice traditional custard is something that you would relish and enjoy. So today in Spice Box, I'm going to be making a fruit custard for you. To make the custard, you need some corn flour, 1 cup cream, 1 cup milk, 1/3 cup powdered sugar, 4 egg yolks and vanilla beans. So I'm going to start by combining the milk and cream together in the saucepan. Add the cream. So you split the vanilla bean, you remove the seed and you scrape it into this mixture. You give this a little stir, keep it on low flame for 5 minutes, but don't allow this to boil. Once hot, just remove from the flame. So in another bowl, I'm going to start combining the egg yolks, the powdered sugar and the corn flour. You whisk them up all well till it turns nice and creamy. So I have the thickened mixture here, the milk and cream which I've already saved. Now I'm going to add this into the egg mixture. Now you can transfer the mixture back into the pan. And then keep stirring continuously for 15 to 20 minutes. Just make sure that the flame is on low. On sim. I should say that. Just make sure that the flame is on sim. You continue to stir till the custard thickens. The custard is ready. There are 2 ways of making the custard, either by using the regular custard powder or the traditional method of making your own custard. You can serve them warm or cold with fruits, pancakes or crumble. So here I'm using fruits. I have apples, kiwi, mango and some grapes.